everyone, this is Vaikri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mom, where are we going today?
We are going at SCAD Students Accepted Celebration. So they are rocking.
Yes, we are going to the SCAD Accepted Student Celebration, which is in India. I cannot believe I just said that out loud. Yeah, okay. For the students residing in India, the event is going to take place in different cities, and we are going to Mumbai. Tunnel. Oh, the lighting is so sick. Guess who decided to join us? By the way, happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Let's go. I also we reached, so I'm nervous, but I'm not.
Every classroom is mirrored on what is happening currently in industry. We truly believe this is what a classroom looks like, that step for our students will be seamless when they step.
Hi. Okay, so the orientation just ended, and this is Sonia, and this is Priyanshi, and these are two beautiful people who are coming to SCAD with me. And the orientation was, yeah. Okay, sorry. The orientation was just a lecture, like it was just very informational, so I did not vlog much. But do you have anything to say to the vlog?
I hope she booms on YouTube and on Instagram as well. And I'm really excited to go to SCAD.
Let's go. And do you have anything to say?
We love Vaikari. Yeah. We love Vaikari. Let's go.
That's so cute. I cannot believe I'm gonna be. Oh my god, this is so exciting.
I'm actually hoping that we get
Like rooms side by
I know.
side. I hope that. Let's go SCAD. Let's go SCAD. You know, everything in SCAD has the SCAD label. So even if I wear a cap, it's gonna have SCAD on it, and it's something we do not get here. So I'm like very excited for it.
We are the technically branding SCAD everywhere.
Yeah. I mean, my major is advertising and branding. This is like in my blood.
Yeah, whatever careers we make, we are supposed to
Exactly.
advertise. Yeah.
Obviously, that's like me. So, and I genuinely hope that we like room say,
Yeah,
very
definitely.
close to each other so that we can be together all the time.
The future awaits.
That's cool. Okay, so you just spent at least like 3 hours with us, and do you think this batch is a little different?
Oh yeah, for sure. I think you guys are really open, which I really love. You guys are very communicative, and it was really, really fun seeing you guys. And I think you're all gonna be like good friends with each other, but also with everybody in SCAD and the community. I think y'all will really, really fit in.
Yay, let's go. This is Astra, by the way. She is amazing. Like, let's go. Okay, so this is Dilip. And my question to you is that, as incoming freshmen, what's the one tip you can give us?
Network, and network. Fake it till you make it is also something I always tell students.
Okay.
If you are an introvert, I would want you to push yourself, push your buttons, and start talking to people because that's very important for you to be successful in the United States.
What's the classic conversation opener?
What is the classic?
Conversation opener. Like, if you're in a bunch of people who you don't know, how would you go and start a conversation? Like, would you compliment their outfit? Would you like, what would you do?
But it's more to do with like, yeah, of course, greeting. It always starts with how you greet the audience,
Okay,
right? How
okay.
do you make them feel?
Okay.
It's very important to make them feel comfortable.
Okay.
So one is greeting, especially from the culture they come from. If we can use their language,
Okay.
and that would be a good start. So
Okay.
that I think all of us would be comfortable to have a good time.
Okay, thank you so much. Do you guys know what time it is? It's haul time! Basically, going through the goodie bag and seeing what I got from the event. This is gonna be my favorite part of the whole video because this is very exciting, let me tell you. First, we have I mean, Are you kidding me? If for next Halloween I dress up as Shrek. Where do I find these characters? Not Shrek. So I'm gonna wear these glasses. They're so cool. Next we have SCAD leather notepad. This is so cool. Like you can make notes over here. Okay. So you can make notes over here and then you can keep extra papers over here. This is so small and so cute. I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot. Next we have notebooks. So SCAD's mascot is a bee, so there's a bee on these notebooks and I love the colors. Next we have few pamphlets which has information about SCAD and all the school SCAD offers with all the STEM programs and etc. Next we have the key. This is SCAD's booklet which has all the course information in it and every single course in detail. For example, service design. So what is service design? Then what clients work with SCAD for service design, and again great careers you can make from service design. And I think this is a student's project. So this is the structure followed for every single course, and then at the last we have the course description. So for example, in photography BA degree, what classes will you take, what elective do you have, how many free electives do you have, every single information is given in this notebook. And lastly, let me quickly hold your hand or something for this, because this is something I'm obsessed with. Like whenever I go to a SCAD event, this is the first thing I take out from every single goodie bag, and I take this with me everywhere. And that is I think this can be a good thumbnail picture. Okay, so I don't know why, but I'm just so obsessed with this flag. First of all, thank you so much SCAD for giving us all of these things, and I cannot even tell how excited I am to be on the campus. I cannot even express it in words. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. Yesterday's event was a blast. Thank you so much for it. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel and comment your favorite part. And I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.